Welcome back with another question for the GAT exam. The question is x equals to square root 7 plus square root 3 and y is equals to square root 28 plus square root 12. Then x is what? We have to find the value of x when two equations are given. Okay, two equations are given. I can use substitution method. Okay, for this one, I cannot factorize these. I cannot simplify them further because none of them is a perfect square, or we cannot factorize them so that one of the factor is perfect square, but these values are bigger. We can try this one. Y is equals to square root 28 plus square root 12. Okay, I'm writing down the factors of 28. I can get 28 by 2 times 14 is 28 and 4 times 7. I will simply ignore the first one because 2 and 14, none of them is a perfect square, but 4 times 7, 4 is a perfect square. So I am replacing 28 by 4 times 7. I am writing the factors for 12 here. 2 times 6 is 12 and 4 times 3 is 12. Ignore the first one because none of them is a perfect square. Take this one because 4, one of them, that is 4 is a perfect square. 4 times 3. Replace the 12 by 3. Now I'm writing these square roots separately so the things look simple to you. It's the same square root but split it. Same thing here. 4 square root. How to solve the square root? Like if it's I have a 4, think in a way that is there any value that if we multiply by itself we can get 4? Yes, it's 2. 2 times 2, it's 4, means 2 square. We can cancel the square with the square root. The left value is 2. I'm replacing square root 4 by 2. I cannot simplify this one further. Square root of 4 again 2, 3 as it is because I cannot simplify them into a perfect square. I get two terms. There is something common in them. What that is 2? So write it common 2 with square root 7 plus square root 3. In the beginning, I told you that I will, as two equations as given, I will use substitution method for finding the value of x. Here in the first equation, x is equals to square root 7 plus square root 3. I get square root 7 plus square root 3. It means I can replace this term by x. So I will write y is equals to 2x. What exactly we have to find? X. I get a x at the end, but I have to make it isolate 2x. If I want to remove 2, I will see what's the operation between 2 and x. Multiplication, go for the opposite. Divide both sides. Whatever you will do on one side, do the same thing on the other side. I'm dividing this side by 2. Divide the other side of the equation as well. Why I select 2? Because I need x alone. So that's why I have to remove that extra 2, divide both sides by 2, cancel 2 by 2. X is equals to y over 2 or 1 over 2 y. They are the same thing. So the correct option is B.